Hi, I'm Megan Molten and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about styling your Christmas tree. I finally talked to you into letting me get a faux Christmas tree and I'm so happy about it. It's beautiful, it's full, and it's pre-lit, so it makes our lives so much easier. So whether you have a real tree or a faux tree, I think choosing a fun filler is really important. Last year we chose the faux palms from the shop, and this year, to change it up a little bit, I chose the faux pampas grass from the shop. And you just kind of stick them in throughout, and we even used it as a tree topper as well. Next is your ornaments. I think it's really important to think about what is your color palette for the ornaments. I chose a color palette filled with blacks, golds, and this really pretty champagne color. It's important to mix up the shapes and the sizes. So different shaped ball ornaments mixed with really textured pieces helps give your tree more dimension throughout. Last is what's underneath your tree. If you want to be super extra, you could actually wrap your presents to match the color collection of your tree, which I'm loving, by the way. And lastly is your tree skirt. I think that it should be beautiful and part of the color palette you choose for your tree as well. You can shop the Berry Mod Pod Christmas collection online at meganmolten.com or in our shop. Merry Christmas, y'all.